Hey, what's up?
You bastard!
What's up?
You bloody, fuck you bloody!
Fuck you, bloody! Fuck you!
Fuck you bloody, fuck you!
This shit got a little more horsepower than the other thing.
That's right, bitch, fuck off. That's a dangerous S-turn. Can't take that like in the F1 cars. Oh, I felt it. It was right there.
The hell is someone's bugging out, bro?
What's wrong with it?
I don't know.
Tires too big? Tires too wide?
It's like fucking floating.
Floating? Can't quite just that shit. What was that gas? I wish the gas tank. Oh, I am running out of gas. It does work. That's cool.
What?
Running out of gas. The gas tank works. Like the meter in the car.
Oh yeah.
Never really paid attention to it. Always saw the speedometer. Oh, and another thing, I turned the. Oh, I didn't turn it off. Oh, I just turned it down. Whatever.
Yeah, it's called, as soon as it takes a little bit of physical damage, it turns to shit. So you like half the max also.
Is that the same with all cars or just that?
Like the side poster, I guess.
Driving style has to change up so much now.
For every
In a
car.
good way. Yup.
Oh, I'm taking too fast. can feel the tires start to slip on you better now too.
Yup. I keep struggling to make this fucking turn over here.
Oh, the Yui?
Not the Yui. It's by the pits when you the first left to the straightaway. Or should I say, or even the second left after you complete a lap.
Oh my god, the fog. Oh my god. This car is way too fast for this track.
One thing I can say for sure is a whole lot less gas pedal. Damn. Yeah, it is. I'm making different fuck-ups now. Like everything.
Fuck, way too fast into that. I wish we had a clear day. This fog is killing me.
So I wish there weren't total on the fucking road. Alright, I will make this turn now. I feel like it comes up so fast. I think it's 7. Every time I've taken it, I've hit the fucking wall of tires. That was the first time I made a complete tight turn. Oh! I'm starting to get the hang of this vehicle. Shit is getting left up in this process. I'm inclined to believe that we are on exact opposite parts of the track.
Polar opposites.